안녕, 뽀기, 뽀기. Ah, 뽀기. Gulaman, first time. Masarap, masarap. Masarap, you try. Masarap.
메뉴 끼웠는데 냄새나.
Hi mga chinggu, good morning. Nandito ako ngayon sa Clark. Actually, Angeles pala. Nandito ako sa Angeles, Pampanga. Kasama ko yung mga family ko. And ayan, nandito ako finally kasi birthday ng mom ko. Buti na lang naalala ko pa. Oh my God. I'm going to spend time with my family. First of all, Yeju and Shiu. 안녕, 뽀기, 뽀기. Ah, 뽀기. 예주 안녕. Hi. Where are you going? School. Let's go. Dadarap namin si Yeju. And then we're going to try a fishbowl kikiam, mga ganon. Kasi sabi ni Tina, masarap daw yung fishbowl land sa malapit sa school nila. Yeju ya. What's your school name? Westfield. Wow. How much is your tuition fee, Charot? Jingle bell. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
징글벨 징글벨.
Hanggang dun lang. 이모 이뻐?
이모 이뻐.
아, pretty daw ako.
누나 이뻐.
예주 안녕. Head. Mga chingos, mag-try muna kami ng fishball and kikiam. Sabi ni Tina kasi masarap daw dito. Try natin. Fishball, squid ball, tapos kikiam po na dalawa. Oh, look at this, look at this.
소스?
Sweet spicy. Yun ang masarap.
Oh, of course.
Masarap. What's masarap?
Delicious.
Hindi niya makakal. Ano yung favorite mo here? Kwek-kwek? Kwek-kwek.
Kwek-kwek.
And fishball. Brother-in-law, Dokjin. Went here before?
Of course.
He likes it? Isang iced tea po, kuya.
Gulaman po siya, mama.
Gulaman lang? Oh, first time ni Tina mag-try ng gulaman. Thank you po.
Mama, ano po yung sa inyo?
Gulaman.
아이스 아니야?
No iced tea. Gulaman, first time. Masarap, masarap. Masarap, you try. Masarap.
메뉴 끼웠는데 냄새나.
No, ganun talaga. Try, try, try.
메뉴 끼워 맛이 나는데?
Lasang aceton. First time niya kasi gulaman eh. No, it's good. Patry natin. First time niya gulaman din. Gusto niya pala. Asista? Oh. Good?
No.
Kain na mga chingko. Para maging healthy tayo, mag-Korean grocery tayo. Because I'm a Korean and nandito ako sa Korean town. Kaya bili tayo na something, you know, pag Korean ka, tsaka pag Korean grocery medyo healthy. So, ito na. Bili tayo ng mga ramen muna. Healthy pero fast. Sarap. Wala na pa mo. Di ba mga chingko pag pag medyo mataas yung mga things, yung mga Korean oppa, tulong sila sa akin din. Ay, expect ako. Baka tulungan niya. Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo mga chingko, ganyan dapat kayo sa grocery para mga Korean oppas may lumalapit sa inyo. Ganun yun. Yung mga binibili ko sa Korean market is pang kimbap, my favorite Korean food. So ito yung mga ingredients niya. Hindi ko alam anong tawag nito eh. Soy sauce, hard-boiled burdock. Tapos ito, namnut yung tawag, radish. And then, you only need this ham, pang kimbap. Yun lang. Ano pa nilalagay natin? Eggs. Yun lang, di ba? Tapos,
Fish cake.
kasi mga chingo siya nagluluto eh. Ano kumakain na. Pero, di ba I taught you how to do it? Mga chingo ito, it's called bandegi. Na-feature din sa, sa Running Man Philippines. Kumain sila din ito sa Korea. It's, silkworm. So, insect siya. Pero kinakain namin ito, masarap talaga. If I buy, will you cook it? What's that?
이거 예주.
What's that?
예주.
Bulbul ah. Excuse me?
이거 이 시우랑 예주.
Excuse me? So, my ate bought all the things with my money. Wow! Look at her working space. Wow! Day off daw siya today pero nag-work. You're just putting colors. Color play. She wants to promote something.
Of course.
Oh.
Come to Galaxy Hotel. You will meet Mr. Choi.
That's it? That's it? What else? What is good in CU Hotel?
Great rooms and then
Sure?
yes, and then swimming pool
Uh-huh.
and then samji buffet.
What's samji?
Samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal buffet.
Samji.
Oh, samji. I don't know that.
And then we will open the spa also.
Oh, spa. Oh, I didn't know that. And we have oppa.
No, he's my man. You can't see him.
You will see the pogi oppa here, Korean oppa. Wala, no more.
We have
Kids room, playground.
yeah, playground.
Where? I haven't seen it. Where? Let's check. Okay. So there. She's talking about this area. Then we're going to put slides, the air bounce slides. Guess age ni ma'am. 63.
How about you? How about you?
49, 45.
49? 45?
45.
Okay.
500! Yay! Okay, where's my mom? Mommy, mommy, mommy. Hi! Oh, she's making samjang for me. The homemade samjang. Oh. So usually pag nandito ako sa Clark, tapos pauwi na, she always makes food for me and then, take out lang. Say hi! Wow. And mga chingo, so ito na yung take-out food ko. Jeyukbokum. It's stir-fry pork and then some lettuce for some. Yeah, so may libreng pagkain. Okay, since nandito ako sa Hotel CU, pakita ko sa inyo yung swimming pool! Hiro always swims here. Ulan na. So ito yung business namin paggabi, 5 p.m. onwards. Meron kaming only samgyeopsal with a lot of like ulam, caterings. And then we have karaoke with like banda. And then we have free swimming pool access. and that's just $4.99 per person. And then we have promo din na 10 people will go here, the next one person is free. Ganun siya. Visit See You Hotel. Wow, promotion na to as a marketing manager. Gusto niya. No more na, no more. Okay, that's it mga Chingu for today's vlog. Ito yung ginagawa ko pag nandito ako sa Hotel CEO. And happy birthday, Mom!
Thank you.
How old are you?
I don't know.